Ielts essay question. People nowadays sleep less than they used to in the past. What is the reason behind this? What are the effects on individuals and people around them? In today's fast-paced society, it has become increasingly common for individuals to sleep less than they did in the past. The widespread prevalence of sleep deprivation is a result of several factors that have emerged in recent years. This essay will explore the underlying causes of this trend and delve into the effects it has on individuals and the people around them. One significant reason for the decreased sleep duration in modern times is the proliferation of technological advancements. The advent of smartphones, tablets, and other digital devices has revolutionized the way people interact and access information. However, the constant connectivity and the allure of entertainment on these devices often encroach upon valuable sleep time. The availability of captivating content, social media, and addictive video games contribute to individuals staying awake longer than necessary. The demands of the modern lifestyle, coupled with a highly competitive work culture, place significant pressure on individuals to sacrifice sleep. The era of globalization and round-the-clock business operations has led to longer working hours, irregular schedules, and heightened stress levels. As a result, people often prioritize their professional commitments over their sleep, leading to chronic sleep deprivation. Another factor contributing to reduced sleep duration is a lack of awareness about the importance of sleep and the consequences of sleep deprivation. Many individuals mistakenly believe that sacrificing sleep enables them to be more productive. However, research has shown that chronic sleep deprivation impairs cognitive functions, diminishes productivity, and negatively affects physical and mental health. Without proper education and awareness, people may not prioritize sleep as a vital component of overall well-being. In conclusion, the decrease in sleep duration among individuals today can be attributed to various factors, including technological advancements, demanding lifestyles, and a lack of awareness. However, the effects of sleep deprivation should not be overlooked. Chronic sleep deprivation negatively impacts individuals by impairing cognitive abilities, increasing the risk of physical and mental health problems, and diminishing overall well-being. Furthermore, the effects of sleep deprivation extend beyond the individual, as it can also affect their relationships, productivity, and overall societal functioning. Recognizing the importance of sleep and taking steps to prioritize it is crucial for individuals to lead healthy, fulfilling lives in the modern world.